So here's a demonstration of one way to use the TI-9948 computer to ignite a model rocket engine. This was an inquiry by Omega on Atari Age, and I thought I'll test it out. So what we're doing here is we are using the cassette port on the TI. It's a standard cassette port. Okay. These leads here lead to the mic and to the ear jacks on your usual cassette recorder. This jack here is the remote jack, which controls the motors on the cassette deck. And this is what we're going to use to trigger the igniter. What this does is, once it is triggered by the computer, it essentially closes a circuit and acts as a switch. Basically connects these two leads together. So what I've done is I've connected the remote jack to a transistor here. I'm going to try a different angle here. What we have in this circuit is essentially a transistor, okay, whose base input is triggered by the remote jack on by the computer. The emitter and collector of the transistor are connected to the negative pole of the power supply and go to the relay, which is a 9-volt standard relay. Okay, double pole, double throw, but it's preferable to use a single pole, single throw one if you have it. Anyway, so what the transistor does once it's activated is energize the coil inside the relay, and once this is energized, okay, it essentially switches over the relay inputs so that the igniter here, which is a standard small engine igniter, I don't know if you can see it clearly, but essentially this is triggered by closing the connection in the relay. Basically that's it. It's a very simple circuit. There is a small resistor here in series with the base of the transistor for current protection. I'm using a breadboard with a 9-volt portable power supply right here. 9 volts is simply because my relay, the one I have on hands, is a 9-volt relay, so it won't trigger with lower voltages. So I wrote a small extended basic program which essentially does the triggering on cue. I don't know if we're going to be able to see clearly the igniter going off. You should focus your eyes on this. This is the igniter, but we're going to give it a shot. So first let's turn the power supply on. Alright, everything is connected. We're going to go ahead and press a key. Here we go. There you go. And the igniter went off. So it does work, absolutely works, and that's a proof that Omega needed. Now, just a caveat, this is obviously just a quick experiment, and in order to make it practical in the field, you need to make it smaller, possibly connect this to a small PCB, and use a NanoPeb or a CF Plus device, because you need 32K of RAM in order to use the call link and call load and call init program statements in extended basic. You'll also need some form of portable supply, like a 12-volt battery with a DC to AC converter to power up the Texas Instruments computer, as well as a small monitor and the CF7 or NanoPep device. In any case, this is it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.